The 2025 Lucid Gravity is a widely anticipated vehicle that combines spaciousness, performance, and range, thanks to Lucid's sophisticated technology and software. The Lucid Gravity is offered in a 3-row configuration with seats for 6 or 7 passengers, as well as a 2-row variant for 5 passengers. Lucid Gravity is powered by the Lucid Air sedan's compact and efficient dual-electric motor powertrain. Lucid has a nice and spacious cabin. All 3 rows are large enough to accommodate people. The Lucid Gravity's interior is lavish and technologically advanced, designed to deliver a luxury and comfortable driving experience. Premium materials are used throughout the cabin, including high-quality leather, sustainable wood accents, and brushed aluminum finishes, to create a sophisticated elegance. Interior options in 2 and 3 rows are available, with the latter featuring a second-row bench or captain's chairs that seat 7 or 6 passengers. The second and third rows fold flat and take up surprisingly little room when stowed, resulting in a spacious, almost cargo-like interior for a tiny vehicle. A new center console between the front seats includes adjustable bins, picnic tables with built-in charging connections that sprout from the front seats for rear seat passengers, and a convenient trunk storage compartment with on-road storage for rarely used things. The Gravity SUV features 2 electric motors and standard all-wheel drive. A rear-wheel drive model may be added later. The Gravity, like the Air sedan, will most likely be available in 2 trim levels: 620 horsepower Touring and 1050 horsepower Grand Touring. A high-performance Sapphire variant with up to 1234 horsepower is also probable. The entry-level variant, likely to be dubbed the Pure, is projected to produce roughly 480 horsepower. Air suspension and rear-wheel drive are likely to be options. Lucid Gravity has been designed with comprehensive safety features to ensure optimal protection to its customers. Lucid has advanced driver assistance systems, such as automated emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, which help to avoid accidents by offering real-time alerts and remedial actions. The Lucid Gravity has numerous airbags strategically placed around the cabin to provide additional safety in the event of a collision. A sturdy translucent structure combined with a high-strength steel and aluminum frame improves crashworthiness and passenger safety.